Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to switch between different camera modes on your iPhone 17 Pro. Okay, so actually you can do that in your camera itself for quick access, but before that you need to enable some functions in your settings. So open your settings on your iPhone and you have to scroll down until you reach camera section and now find formats. So if you go to photo mode, you will see here different photo modes that you can select. Those are 12 megapixels and 24. As you can see, here is now option to choose 48 megapixels. That's because 48 megapixels are working with this ProRAW and resolution control mode. So enable this and let's go to camera. And here in the top left corner of your screen you can see this quick toggle. So if you want to have 48 megapixels on your photos, you have to select this RAW mode. Yes, and also basically when you use your camera you can select video mode. And also in the top left corner of your screen you can select different resolutions. Those are HD and 4K, and also different frame rates. Additionally, if you go to settings back and let's go to camera and open record video, here also you can see different modes that you can use. Yes, so explore that and adjust your camera for best experience. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.